When considering home improvements, selecting the right type of windows can have a significant impact on both the aesthetics and functionality of your space. Among the many options available, awning windows stand out for their unique design and versatile benefits. If you're a homeowner in Cayce, South Carolina, or the surrounding area, installing awning windows in your home could offer numerous advantages, from enhancing curb appeal to improving energy efficiency. Here's why you should consider adding awning windows to your Cayce home. Enhanced ventilation and natural light. One of the most significant benefits of installing awning windows is the ability to improve ventilation in your home. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward, allowing fresh air to flow in while protecting your interior from rain and harsh weather. This makes awning windows an excellent option for areas where you want to keep the windows open but still enjoy protection from the elements, like kitchens or bathrooms. By allowing natural airflow to circulate throughout your home, you can create a more comfortable living environment. Additionally, because awning windows are often positioned higher on walls, they allow for a larger amount of natural light to enter, brightening your space without sacrificing privacy. Increased energy efficiency. In a climate like Cayce's, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, energy efficiency is key to maintaining a comfortable and cost-effective home. Awning windows offer a superior seal when closed, preventing drafts and reducing heat loss during the colder months. The tight seal helps keep your heating and cooling systems working more efficiently, reducing your energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Moreover, awning windows can be paired with energy-efficient glass options, further enhancing your home's insulation. This combination of design and technology can lead to long-term savings and a more sustainable home. Weather resistance. Cayce residents know how unpredictable the weather can be, with sudden rain showers and gusty winds being common. Awning windows are perfect for these conditions because of their outward opening design. When open, the top hinged windows act like a protective awning, preventing rain from entering your home even while allowing fresh air to circulate. This feature makes awning windows a practical choice for those who want to enjoy natural ventilation without worrying about inclement weather. Their sturdy design also makes them highly durable and resistant to wear over time. This makes them ideal for homes in areas with heavy rain or wind, ensuring that your investment will last for years. Improved security and privacy. Awning windows are known for their security features, which is another reason they're a popular choice for homeowners in Cayce. Because they open outward from the top, they are more difficult to open from the outside, adding an extra layer of security. This feature can be particularly beneficial on ground-level windows or in areas where security is a concern, such as basements or first-floor rooms. Additionally, because of their higher positioning on walls, awning windows allow homeowners to enjoy better privacy while still inviting natural light and airflow. You can leave the windows open without the worry of being overlooked by neighbors or passers-by, a key consideration for those living in more densely populated areas of Cayce. Aesthetic appeal. awning windows can add a touch of elegance and charm to any home. Their sleek, modern design makes them a stylish choice for both traditional and contemporary homes. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, bathroom, or living room, awning windows can complement your home's existing decor, adding both beauty and functionality. They also come in a variety of sizes and materials, so you can easily find an option that suits your home's architecture and design preferences. Whether you want a large, striking window that serves as a focal point or a smaller, more subtle addition, awning windows are highly customizable to meet your aesthetic needs. Easy to operate and maintain. Another benefit of awning windows is how easy they are to operate. Unlike some other window types that can be difficult to open or close, especially in hard-to-reach areas, awning windows can be easily adjusted with a simple crank mechanism. This makes them a great option for homeowners who want a hassle-free window that's easy to maintain. Additionally, because they open outward and are hinged at the top, awning windows are easy to clean, especially for second-story windows that are harder to reach with other window types. Their design ensures that dirt and debris don't accumulate on the exterior, making maintenance a breeze. Increased home value. Installing awning windows can be a smart investment for your home. Not only do they offer numerous practical benefits, but they can also enhance the overall value of your property. Homebuyers appreciate energy-efficient, secure, and aesthetically pleasing windows, so adding awning windows could make your home more attractive to potential buyers in the future. Conclusion. Awning windows provide a wide range of benefits that make them an excellent choice for homeowners in Cayce. Whether you're looking to improve ventilation, increase energy efficiency, or simply enhance the look of your home, awning windows offer a practical and stylish solution. With their superior weather resistance, privacy benefits, and easy maintenance, these windows can help you create a more comfortable, secure, and attractive living space. Consider installing awning windows in your Cayce home and enjoy the lasting benefits they provide.